Hello all, welcome to the weekly market outlook from GEPL Capital. This is Omkar Patil, the research associate. So let's begin with the outlook, beginning with the charts of our benchmark index Nifty. Firstly, so just for the recap, in the previous outlook, we had clearly mentioned the mark of 19,200 to 19,300 and 19,240. This was a good zone where the index has actually built a good support. So we also got to see that the level of 19,200 to the 19,240 over there were multiple supports. The first crucial support was around the mark of 0.23%, which again aligned with the multiple touch points as well as the prior month gap, sorry, the prior month low, and also the gap level which the index created around in the first week of the July 2023. So we witnessed a good multiple price action area coming into sync at the mark of 19,240, and thereby we witnessed that the index took the support from the same level and have shown a good bounce to the upside. So this week, if you'll have a look, the index has actually managed to surpass its last 4 weeks high and currently trading around the high of this week at the mark of 19,819.95. So over here, so as the previous outlook, we mentioned that our stance was quite bullish, and the bullish stance is still maintained by us. So let's have a look. What is the further path the Nifty can follow? So also, if we'll have a look, the RSI on the daily time frame was moving lower, and it had actually breached the threshold mark below 50. And in the latest week, post creating a good up move from the lower levels, it has also surpassed the mark of 50. So it is a positive sign. The momentum has also returned back, and it seems that. And also around the level of 19,800, we got to see a clear gap creating over here, which we eventually thought over here some resistance would kick in, but the index has surpassed that level quite easily. So going ahead, the levels to watch out on the higher side is 19,991, which was the all-time high, and if that is surpassed, we can expect the index to move as high as 19,000. Sorry, 20,000 followed by 20,330 on the higher side. While on the lower side, again, the mark of 19,430 is now a crucial support in the Nifty index, where we can expect if a dip comes, that would be a good level to create fresh positions. While if we see some price sustaining below the level of 19,430, we may again witness that the index may come lower to test the multiple price action area, which the index with the index respected, that is 19,240. Coming to the charts of Bank Nifty, so even if we'll have a look at the weekly charts of Bank Nifty, the mark of around 43,530, we got to see a clear CIP level, which is the change in polarity. The earlier this level was acting as a resistance, and now it has acted as a support. If we'll have a look at the past fourth week low, the low is actually in sync with the high which it created in the 2022 December. So over here we got to see a good change in polarity, and the index has also given us a breakout of past 3 weeks high. So over here also we can witness a good momentum into Bank Nifty, and prices can move higher. Switching it onto the daily charts, we can see a good breakout over here. The breakout is in a clear symmetry of symmetrical triangle pattern. So it is a good sign. The index can now move higher. So the levels to watch out on the higher side are 45,800, 46,300, which is its all-time high. And if that is surpassed, we may expect the Nifty Bank Index to move as high as 47,000. While on the lower side, the support lies around the mark of 44,200, followed by 43,600. So, in a nutshell, both the indexes have taken support very well. They have supported the lower levels and have shown a good bounce. Thus, the index, both the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty, looks quite positive from here on and are approaching towards their lifetime high. So few stocks to watch out. So the first stock, of course, it is one of the momentum stock from the railway space. That is the RBNL. So RBNL is currently trading around the level of 162.85. The stock has shown a good breakout of the rectangle pattern, which over here shows us some kind of continuation after a very narrow consolidation zone. It has now come out of that range of 142 on the higher side and 120 on the lower side. So going ahead, we can expect the stock to move higher till the mark of 200, followed by 220, and on the lower side, the mark of 140 will act as a stop loss to this trade. The second stock which we have is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, if we'll have a look on the weekly chart, post creating low around the level of 400 mark, now it has retested its 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, and it has also breached below its prior week high, which was eventually a sidebar candlestick pattern. Now it indicates that the volatility is rising, and going ahead, the stock we can expect it to continue its up move till the level of 700, while on the lower side, the mark of 590 will act as a stop loss to this trade. So that's it from our side. I hope you like this video. You make sure that you are subscribed to GP's YouTube channel. Thank you.